Hey everyone, welcome to Simplified Plan. Today I am going to be doing a fun video in using my Hobonichi cousin. I had a couple of pages that were just not had anything in them, and so I thought I'd go back and use them and show you guys how I do certain things. And so I thought today it would be fun to do a goal dump page. So that's what I'm going to write at the top of my page so I know what it is. But I like these pages because I just feel like they, I don't know, kind of keep me reminding me of what I want to accomplish, but also like letting me get it out of my brain. So, didn't quite let that dry. Anyways, so this is going to be a goal dump page. And so a goal dump page is you can pick however many categories you want. Some categories you might use are health or spiritual or reading or relationships or creativity or maybe miscellaneous or business or finances or school. There's so many you could pick. So we're going to pick just a couple just so you have kind of like an idea. So I'm going to pick reading as one because that's kind of a big one that I like to do, but I sometimes let it go by. So I want to make a dump of it so that I'm happy. And then we'll do creativity because I think that's a great one also to do. So we're going to do creativity, and then I'll do, I'm going to do health, because that's always a big one, right, for everyone, I feel like, in some way or another. And it doesn't always have to be like, I'm exercising. That's not what it's always all about. And then I'm just going to put a miscellaneous section down here, because, you know, we don't have to have a group for everything. Okay, and so then, because I like to have things like with some color and whatnot, I'm just gonna let these dry, and then I'm gonna make a little box around them. You could highlight them, you could, you know, like just be creative, right? Oh, and I see I didn't let it dry. I'm using this pen, and I probably shouldn't be. I don't normally use it on my Hobonichi. Anyways, let's see. Let's do green for health. Anyways, I just think it's good to have that color too because it brings a pop to your page of each section. Plus it makes it happy. So then we gotta, you know, like come up with whatever's in our brain. But I would say at least 3 to 5 things of each of these. So for me, I want to read 2 books in the next month. So read 2 new books. And honestly, if I had them in front of me, I would write the titles of the books because I just would like to be more specific than that. And then to make that happen, I put another goal of read 1 chapter a day. And I think that'll get me through 2 new books. Okay? Might get me through more. Who knows? Creativity. I want to spend, I don't know, even once a week. So I'm going to write once a week, out. And I'm shooting pictures because I want to keep improving my craft. And then I'd say once this month, I want to be painting because that's another thing I enjoy. And then I'm also going to put a big one on here for me. Once a week, practice doodling. Creativity, I could always, I think I could list a million of them. I'd like to get better at handwriting and all those things. But anyways, okay. For health, I want tracking daily. And for me, that's just tracking how I'm feeling, what my mood is, what the weather is, how I slept, and seeing what connections I can make to improve my health. And then another one for health would be to just get outside, be outside daily. and making sure I'm spending, minimum 20 minutes, but hopefully more. But being outside, fresh air, sunshine, all those things, so important. And then miscellaneous, we're just going to say, let me think. I want to be better posting for Simplified Plan on social media, So I'm going to say 2 to 3 times a week is my ideal. And so I'm going to say 15 minutes daily prepping for that. And so in those 15 minutes, hopefully I can get those 2 to 3 posts put together. So this is what I call a goal dump page. I don't know what other people call it. I'm all about brain dumps and whatnot, and so I thought it would be fun to do a goal dump page. And again, we could have finances on here, we could have school on here, we could have business on here, we could have your job on here, we could have your marriage goals, we could have your relationship goals, you name it. But I just picked 4 because that seemed kind of like enough. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for my newsletter at simplifiedplan.com, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and we will see you again soon. Have a great day.